Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the exact Casio type because the only reliable way to set time depends on crown and mode behavior. Check whether the watch has a pull-out crown or uses mode/adjust buttons. This determines the sequence you'll follow. Once done, place the watch face up on a soft cloth and make sure the battery is functional so settings hold. Now, if it's analog or onadigi, prepare to pull the crown to the correct detent, if digital only. Get ready to enter the time-setting mode. You now enter the actual adjustment. For analog or onadigi models, pull the crown to the second click so hands disengage from movement and rotate the crown to set hour and minute. Turn slowly to prevent tooth slipping. For digital sections, press mode until seconds or hour blinks, then use adjust or buttons to advance digits. Once the digital time matches, synchronize the analog hands to the digital readout by fine-tuning the crown. This ensures both systems read the exact same minute and second. Finish by pushing the crown fully in and pressing adjust or exiting mode to save changes. This locks time and restarts the movement. Make sure AM/PM or 24-hour format is correct, and verify seconds alignment between analog and digital. If hands don't match digital readout, repeat the synchronization step. Pull crown again and realign hands to the displayed minutes and seconds. If problems persist, reset the watch's time-setting mode or consult the model manual. A stuck crown.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.